All right, now I'm going to go over these next two problems. So x plus 3 equals 18 minus 4x. And this one is fairly straightforward in that we don't have to combine like terms before we start it. So I'm simply going to add 4x to each side to get the x's together. The reason that I'm adding 4x to each side is just because I have experience and I know if it's minus 4x and I make it a plus, then I'll be working with a positive plus, but it doesn't matter. You could take the x over to the other side. I'm just choosing to take the 4x. So x plus 4x is 5x. And then I'm left with 5x and then plus 3 equals 18. And then I need to bring the 3 over. So since it's a plus 3, I'm going to subtract 3 from each side. So I've got 5x equals 21. Then I'm going to divide each side by 5 to get my x alone. So we're going to cancel out the 5s. We're left with x equals, and you can leave this as a fraction, or you can give me a decimal, it doesn't matter, 21 over 5. So that's the answer for that one. And then let's take a look at this next problem. It is 9s plus 8 minus s equals 2 times the quantity of 2s plus 8. All right, so over here what we're going to do is we are going to first distribute this 2. So we have to distribute the 2 to the 2s and then to the 8. And we are going to, I'm going to rewrite it. That's a s plus 8 minus s equals 2 times 2s plus 2 times 8. So then we're left with, it'll be easier for me to do this here. So then we're left with 9s plus 8 minus s equals, the 2 times 2s is 4s, plus 2 times 8 is 16. The next thing we're going to do is on the left-hand side, we are going to combine like terms. So this 9s and this, remember take the sign in front of it, negative s, which is negative 1s. We're going to combine those first. So 9s minus 1s equals 8s plus 8 equals 4s plus 16. Next, we want to get all of the s's on the same side. So we're going to subtract 4s from each side. That cancels. And then what's left is, so 8s minus 4s is 4s plus 8 equals 16. Now we're going to bring the 8 over, so we're going to subtract 8 from each side. So I'm going to do that in my head, so I'm left with 4s equals 16 minus 8 is 8. And then the last step is we're going to divide each side by 4. So 4s divided by 4 is just s. And 8 divided by 4 is 2, so S equals 2.